Hello, my dears. I just have one last video on chapter 11, and it has to do with zeros. On the test, there will be some problems that have zeros in them, and I want to look at this, and I want to just go over it so that you don't forget something important. Okay, so when you look at this, you say, wow, this is a great problem because I already see something that I know, and I know that 45 divided by 9 is something on the 9 times table, isn't it? It's 5. So we're going to look at 9 and 45. So we're going to go over the 5 and put a 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Now, we will subtract and get 0. Oops, broke my pencil. We will get 0 here. And then we have something to bring down, but it's a 0. And you can't skip this step. And I'll tell you why, because 5 times 9 is 45, not 450. So we need something, and I think you know what we need, but I just want you to remember it, okay? We need to get a 0 here. And in order for we to get a 0, by multiplying something from here, it must be a 0. 0 times 9 is 0. And then when you subtract, you get 0. There's nothing. But you must have something in the ones position here. Now, the reason we know it's correct is that we will do this problem. 50 times 9, which is the quotient times the divisor. And if we do 0, 9 times 0 is 0. And 9 times 5 is 45, and we know that's right. Now, some of you can eyeball this. I know you can. I just don't want those that forget about this to stop here and say, oh, it's 5. 5 and 5 is 45. And the zeros do count, okay? This is the tens place, and this is the ones place, and you have to have that in the ones place. So please, on the test, you will have some division problems that have zeros. Just remember, when you recognize the first part, that's great. You just have to make sure you have a 0 in the answer, okay? I know you're going to do really well on this test, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.